Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with some interesting and another topic for children, which is on good touch and bad touch. So let's start today with our Lily story. Let's begin. Lily was a happy-go-lucky girl staying with her working parents at Delhi. Lily, along with her parents, were having their gala time sitting on a couch watching television. Whereas Lily's other family members lived in village. Parents used to take Lily every Sunday for shopping and spend quality time with her. One day, Lily, along with her parents, met his father's friend in the market. Lily once saw the same friend roaming around her home. She looked horrified. Lily complained about his friend to her father. She said, "I'm afraid of your friend." On which her father replied, "Don't worry, Lily, he's a good man." Lily later complained about his friend to her mother. "I'm terrified of Dada's friend." On which her mother replied, "I'll take care, my dear. Don't worry. Everything will be fine." One day, Dad's friend came home. He informed Lily that Dad had asked him to come home and wait for him. He's coming in 5 minutes. Lily then realized something is fishy, but she was helpless. Incidents repeated again and again. Uncle told her to keep quiet, otherwise he will harm her father. Lily looked petrified. She kept whining and got depressed. She was reluctant to eat and sleep alone in her room. When Lily's father entered her room, he asked her, "What happened, Lily? Why don't you sleep?" On which Lily replied, "I'm scared, Dada. I don't know how to get out of it. I am scared." The threats from the intruder increased day by day. Lily didn't understand what to do about this intruder. Lily was aghast and shocked, and she didn't converse with her friends, neither with her family members. Oh, poor thing. Lily's interest started losing in other activities like painting, drawing, or even playing indoor games like carom. In school, Lily was still crying, and the class teacher asked her, "What happened, Lily dear? Why are you crying?" "Teacher, I'm afraid." Teacher ultimately decided to call Lily's parents and spoke to the school counselor. The parents visited the teacher at the parent-teacher meeting, and later the teacher sent them to a counselor to have a word with her. Mom visited the counselor regarding Lily's matter. After paying a visit to her, Mother started saying, "I'm worried about my daughter." On which the counselor replied, "Don't worry, let's do it together and get Lily out of this." In the beginning, counselor used different techniques to make Lily comfortable. Slowly and gradually, she made her habituated to the techniques. Ultimately, Lily opened up about uncle's behavior to the counselor. The counselor advised Lily to speak to her parents about the issue, as it was important. She also told her not to be frightened of the uncle and be strong and stay positive. The counselor also taught Lily the difference between good touch and bad touch. The counselor also gave Lily some books on good touch and bad touch. She gave some instructions and some crucial pointers to Lily to make her understand the anatomy of a girl and boy. She said there are 3 signals which she should remember where no one can touch her body. Those are green for good, yellow may not like, and red is for bad, which she has to keep in mind. Lily followed the counselor's instructions, and later, when she reached home, she took a t-shirt and started drawing S on it. She muttered to herself, saying, "Teacher told me to take a t-shirt and paint S on it. That means I am safe." The counselor also made Lily realize that she had superpowers and she should know how to use them whenever she is in danger. So Lily, these are the tricks you have to use from now on. Did you get it, my child? Yes, the counselor asked Lily. Great. So stay positive. The intruder again showed up at Lily's door. "No! I'll call the police! Don't touch me!" once she shouted. Later, Lily summoned the police and on his arrival told him, "Uncle is troubling me. Please help me." On which the police replied, "Oh, don't worry. I'll catch up and punish him, my little girl." The police arrested the uncle and put him in dungeon. Lily later thanked the police officer in return. "Thank you." Lily told her father about the uncle's behavior, on which he supported and consoled her. Lily seemed to be elated as before. She is safe now. Hooray! And out of difficulty. Finally, Lily lived with her parents happily ever after. Slowly and gradually, she recovered from the incident. Well done, Lily. You are a strong girl. And yes, my friends, here comes the end of my video. If you love my video, please like, share and subscribe to my video and to my channel. And one more important thing. If you see any adult misbehaving with any child or young ones, please immediately report to the police. Don't forget, this is a big and serious issue. Yes, it should be registered as soon as possible. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.